Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do your calendar review. Happy Friday before spring break. I hope you guys are looking forward to a relaxing week off of school at home. I know that I am excited to get some things done around the house and get, some more exciting stuff for you guys ready. Alrighty, well, let's get started with our daily calendar review. I can't wait. All right, so like I've been saying, in April we're working on during calendar we're working on patterns. So I have a sun and an umbrella, and I'm going to click today to find out. So then I have a sun, an umbrella, and a flower. All righty, we're going to go ahead and click Saturday and Sunday to see if we can figure out what our pattern is going to be. Saturday, is a rain cloud, and Sunday is another sun. So we have an A, B, C, D pattern. That's 4 pieces that need to repeat before we can get ready to go. And boys and girls, we will continue this pattern after spring break. So here we have our calendar. So today is, let's say it together. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. All right, and like we said before, today is Friday. So what was yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. Oh, clicked the wrong thing. And what is tomorrow going to be? Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be Saturday, and I hope you guys are looking forward to it. All right, so let's say that together. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Alrighty, moving on to our spiral review. Alright, so get that piece of paper out, boys and girls, and we will get ready. The first thing we're going to do is figure out what coin is that. What did you say it was? It is silver. What's it called? Did you say a nickel? Good job. This is the tails of a nickel. Tails of a nickel has a building on it. A penny also has a building, but it's not going to be a penny because it's not brown. All right, next question. Blank and blank is blank. Let's fill that sentence out. I'm going to give you a few seconds to get that yourselves together on that one. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. Let's go ahead and find that out. So what color do we start with first, red or yellow? Did you say red? Great job. All right, so how many red do you see? I see 1 red too. Good job. All right, so I have 1. Now I need to know how many yellow you see. 1 and 3. Good job. 1 and 3 is what? What number is that? 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 3 is 4. Great job, guys. Alrighty, I'm moving on. 1 and 3 is 4. What is 1 more than the set below? So first you have to count, then I need 1 more. Go ahead and find that answer. All right, I know, boys and girls, that this one was a little bit of a tricky one. So I'm going to, if you didn't have a chance to finish it, you can always press pause and start again. So let's go ahead and count these first. So 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have the number 12, and I need to find out 1 more than 12. Did you say 13? Yes, it is 13. So 13 is 1 more than 12. So make sure you get your 2-step problems there, boys and girls. All right. This is our last one, and we're going to count how many donuts. Go ahead and get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm back. I hope that you were able to get those donuts counted. You might have heard me counting because I forgot how many donuts there were. So let's go ahead and count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I need to hear you counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 donuts. Ooh, I wish I had 16 donuts right now. That would be so delicious. Let's go ahead and write 16. I'm going to start with a 1, and then I'm going to go in with a 6. So I have 16 donuts. All right, boys and girls, much love. I hope that you guys have a great spring break, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.